What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and today we're going to talk about SENS. Senseonics, ticker symbol SENS. I have talked about this stock earlier in this channel when it was 95 cents and it has ran up to $2.67 as of the price of today. And many people might be thinking either they should buy SENS or wait for a dip. Then I'll explain each and everything in this video. Either you should wait, either you should buy right now or wait for a dip. What should be your perfect timing? And I'll also give some used catalysts on SENS that might push the price higher in the future, and also as of in the short term. So let's go into the SENS, guys. I'm very excited to cover on SENS right now. So let's go, guys. So guys, if you haven't watched my previous video on Senseonics, I would first suggest you to watch that video, and if you have watched that or know what the company does, then let's go into the used catalyst of Senseonics that might push the share price higher. So they just got into an agreement with the Emble Health Coverage Insurance Company, so which will add 2.9 million covered lives, or which will add 2.9 million future customers for Senseonics. So what you also take on from here is, slowly and eventually the health insurance companies are realizing that Senseonics is a better product, ever since the product of Senseonics is a better product and cheaper and will last longer. So this is one of the huge news for Senseonics, and I think slowly and eventually more and more health insurance company will go into contact with Senseonics for their Eversense products, and they will reach up more and more future customers. So guys, and another important thing that I like about these medical companies is that no matter what happens in the world, no matter how does the stock market reacts, their sales will not go down, because these are the basic needs of people. People won't stop buying it because they need it. It is not just a luxury product, it is the basic need of the people. So I like about that. So now guys, I want also you to focus on some of the important thing that might be a used catalyst in the future. So now let's go guys on their 180 days Senseonics product, 180 days Eversense of Senseonics. So guys, now I'll explain why I'm so bullish on Senseonics and why I think it is a long-term stock. So just check this out. So by the way, it is the Q3 report of Senseonics of 2020 from SEC filing, and what they have said about their 180 days Eversense product is that they have completed the test or trial of their 180 days Senseonics products on 181 people. So they tested the 180 days Senseonics product on 181 people for 180 days, and what they found out was all of them were safe, and there was no side effect, and also its accuracy was near to their 90 days product. So what it means is that their 180 days product has higher chances of approval by FDA in the future, and they have also said in their annual report that it might take 60 days more to get approval from FDA on their 180 days product due to COVID and all of other things. So they will get their approval on 180 days Eversense product in near future. As you might know that I always like to check the risks that I'm holding while buying any company for long term. So let's just go on to shareholding their total authorized shares first. So they have authorized 450 million shares, and out of them 244 million shares are outstanding till Q3 2020. They have issued 50 million more shares again. So and their total outstanding is now 294 million. They still have huge number of shares on their pocket to issue in the future if they need. So they are pretty much safe investment right now. Senseonics, and why I think this stock is a long-term hold. So first of all, let's go on to their innovation part. So one of the most three things that I check while going long-term onto any stock is innovation, how much cash they have, and either they can beat up their competitors or no. Now let's go into innovation. So Senseonics has been continuously innovating. They just got approved on their 90 days CGM, and they have also signed up their 180 days CGM for approval by FDA, and it will I think it will surely get approved in the future because it has similar efficiency as 90 days CGM, and they are also testing their 360 days CGM. So it means that they are continuously innovating. Now let's go on to cash part. So they have just issued they have just issued 50 million shares, and they have enough cash right now to work on their to ramp up their production, and I think they will ramp up their production soon in the future, which we might see a good revenue in their Q4 earning report, which they expect to release on March. And guys, the most important part, or one of the second most after innovation, is their competitors. So let's just see where their competitors are. Their competitors have only released 10 days CGM, and they have already released 90. They have already got approval on FTA on 90 days, and also on they are about to get approved by FTA on their 180 days CGM hopefully. So it means that their competitors are far away from Senseonics. Why? Because if their competitors were about to build on, for example, if their competitors were about to build the 1 year CGM, then first they have to test those 1 year CGM onto some peoples for continuously 1 year, and after that, seeing positive result, only they can send it to FTA for approval. So they already have 1 year benefit from their competitors, and they are continuously innovating and staying away far from their competitors. So they have the huge market capital of, for example, the Dexcom, their competitors, has huge market capital of 30 billion. So if Senseonics can acquire that market capital in near future, then this share price is easy $100. So it's easy $100 in next 3 to 5 years. So guys, you might have little knowledge or little understanding why I am so bullish on Senseonics now. So now let's go on to the price part of Senseonics, on which price you should get this share right now. And if you are just about to go long term on Senseonics, then I would suggest to continuously invest in Senseonics right now. And if you are just short term and looking out the price, is it right time to buy or not, then I'll just cover on those part now. Now let's go guys on the price part. Guys, for some of you might be wondering why the share price ran up to $3.9 today and why it again came back to $2.59. Then it is just day traders trading the stock up and down, because they just saw the news of Senseonics of today and they pulled it up and again pulled it down. Day traders will sell on same day, so it is just day traders selling up. It is nothing bad news. So guys, now let's go on to which price target you should go on to Senseonics. So if you saw the stocks anywhere between $2.49 to $2.5, then it is a cheap buy, because it has a strong support on here, and I don't see this price going down than this without any strong negative results. And it has again more strong support at $2.26. So I don't see this price going down without any strong negative news. So guys, just invest more than 30% or 30% sounds good into pre-market, so that if the trend runs up, then you wouldn't miss the trend. And so if you saw anywhere less between so as I already mentioned, day traders are on the stocks right now, so they might invest in pre-market, and when it runs up, they might sell it again and bring it back somewhere between 2.79 or to 2.69. so if you see the stocks in between this, then grab on it, and you can expect better results. So that's it for today guys. And if you like the content and you don't like to miss any future content of this channel, then please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video guys. Bye for today. Have a wonderful day.